Today's video we're going to start with this front lip. I picked this up here locally at an RX-7 Heaven kind of junkyard. This guy's been holding on to this thing forever. As you can see, it's pretty badly damaged. I've already started sanding some of this here, and it looks to be coming out pretty good. But as you can tell by the damage in the footage, that some of it's going to have to be cut out and redone. So we're going to start with that today. Stick around. So I think I might have to actually bring the car in and maybe put it on to kind of get this line straight. As you can see, as we go across here, this line's broken right there. It snapped off while I was taking out some of this metal. It's a little loose, but the majority of it's still there, so at least we can kind of put it back together. But I think putting it back on the car would probably help me get this line straight. There was quite a bit of stuff inside that had taken out, as you saw in the other photographs. But I think we did pretty good. We got the majority of the big stuff off, and we'll begin to rebuild as we go through here. But what a mess. This thing was just in such rough shape. That's it for day one in this front lip. I think we got at least another day's work ahead. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in part 2.